Sir Tukadon is native language of Bicol. It's Bicolano. So ibig sabihin siya, akyatin. So you need to climb just like this place at my back. Before kasi I was a bikers. I started biking 2 years ago. So lagi akong umakyat dito. So pag umakyat kami sa may church, walang walang food. So yung mga bikers nakaupo lang sa tabi ng kalsada. So na-realize ko baka may potential na dito. Magtayo ng cafe, yun nga, Bikers Lounge. Siyempre, Bicolano, we offer kinalas. Kinalas is Bicol delicacy. It means in Tagalog para siyang mami. So yun yung pinaka namin dito, pinaka main dish. Pero nag-serve din kami ng mga breakfast like silog, goto, tokot baboy. I'm inviting my fellow bikers, which is hindi lang bikers, yung gustong mag-chill, enjoy natin Tukadon. Enjoy the view, enjoy the food, and enjoy the ambience. Welcome to Tukadon!